How to sell ebooks on Amazon to make money. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about ebooks and how you can sell them online on Amazon and how you can make money from them. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to kdp.amazon.com. Now if you're publishing Kindle books or ebooks directly, then you will need to come over here because this is Amazon's publisher and they will help you publish your own books so you don't have to pay any fees or anything whatsoever. So let's just go ahead and sign up. So to sign up, all you have to do is just simply click here and it will give you the option of signing up. But since I've already made an account, I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. Now once you sign in, this is how it will look like. Now as the account is incomplete, so basically I have to update it now. Let me just go ahead and do that. So as you can see, this is how it will look like. Now it's telling me that my account information is incomplete, but that's perfectly fine. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But basically, once you've completed it, this is how it will look like. And over here, you'll have to publish your Kindle ebooks, your paperbacks, your hardcover. And if you're creating a series, then you can click on here. And then once you have done that, and once you have uploaded all the information, once you have uploaded all your information, you will get an option of publish and you can just go ahead and publish. So now comes the tricky part. Now over here, if you need to do a couple of basic researches. So if you're trying to create one yourself, you're trying to create a book for yourself, and you are a writer and you believe that your book is going to be a hit, then you need to know a couple of things. The first thing is, once we come over to Amazon and over here on ebooks, you can see that we have a lot of things going on over here. So we need to keep an eye out for many things. We need to keep an eye out on the keyword search. We need to have a good title and a good subtitle. So what is a subtitle? Let's just say this is the book, and this part right here, this is the title, if you tell, and then this is the subtitle. Basically this is the one that basically explains what this means, what is this book about, and stuff like that. This is going to be very important, the main title and then the subtitle. Basically we want to keep it short, we want to keep it simple, we want to keep it so. And you can get a couple of different ideas, and you can get a good idea by coming over to this website called a headline analyzer. Now what it's basically going to do is it's going to analyze your title, your headline. So basically all you have to do is just simply enter in your title over here, click on analyze, and then it will show you some suggestion on how you can better your title, maybe even change it a little bit, maybe cut out some words, maybe replace some words and stuff like that. Basically it'll help you to get a better title. So now you have your book, you have your own title. Now what we need to do is go over to Amazon and publish it, but before that we need some covers, and we need its cover. Okay, so to find a cover, you can go over to canva.com. Now canva.com is a free website where you can find different templates. Basically canva.com is a free website where we can find different templates in different categories. So we can see we have presentation posters, Instagram posts, we have desktop prototypes, flyers, logos, cards, resumes. We have many. So what I want you guys, simply search for book cover. As you can see, book cover, it's over here. So when we click on book covers, these are going to be some free templates. Now don't worry, we can adjust them, we can edit them out, we can change the colors, backgrounds, the text, the fonts, and anything and basically change anything that we want. It's basically a template. We can play around with it, we can do whatever we want. Very simple, it's very easy. I highly recommend. So you can go ahead and pick out anything that you want. So let's just pick out this one right here. No wait, this one right. So let's just assume that this is our book cover. We like it, but we want to change the text. We want to change the text a little bit, we want to change the background. So if we click on this text, literally change it to anything that we want. We can change the fonts of it, the colors, underline it, we can make it bold, we can even make it animated and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. This is how it's basically looks like. This is the Canva tool in which we can edit our book cover. So now you have your ebook, now you have your title, and now you have your cover. Now let's get down to the keyword. So this is the website called the keyword tool. Now this keywordtool.io. Now this is a website where we can find different keywords that can help us to better understand the algorithms of different platforms. Basically we can get a higher ranking on the seller market, so that we can have a better chance of selling our books and getting it a higher placement in the rankings as well. So just simply come over here on Amazon and then just type in some keywords that are related to your book. So if your book is related to murder, so if your book is related to cats, so if your book is related to cats, just simply search for cat, give it a couple of seconds, and as you can see, the cat is found 260 unique keyword searches. And over here, as you can see, flea market treatment for cat, 22,400, cat tree indoors. We have many more. Now, to find out more, we have to get the pro version, but you get the idea of what I'm talking about. We can easily implement these tags, these keywords into our ebook while when we're uploading it, and it'll help us to get a higher ranking and get a higher chance of selling our book much faster. So now that is how you basically upload your keybooks onto KDP, onto Amazon, and how you can ensure that you get a higher ranking and how you can sell faster. But now comes the part where I tell those people that aren't creative enough, basically for those people who don't want to write books, who can't write books, who are just trying to test things out. For those people, I have this website called Project Gutenberg. Now, Project Gutenberg is a free online library with over 60,000 free ebooks. Now, from here, we can just simply download ebooks. We can download the covers. We can download the hard copies. We can download almost anything. Let's just go ahead and search for some books. So what we want to do is come down over here, and we have to search for recently added, or we can just simply gonna go over to the frequently downloaded, meaning the top 100 or ranked by popularity. So let's go with the frequently downloaded ones. So if you click on frequently downloaded, in the last 30 days, these are the top 100 ebooks. For yesterday were these books. So we have Frankenstein, we have The Scarlet Letter, Pride and Prejudice, The Enrich, The Enchiridion, Alice's Adventure in Wonderland, The Yellow Wallpaper, and many more. So let's just go ahead and search for some of these books. So let's just search for this one, number 12, The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. So let's just go ahead and copy this name and go over here on Amazon and search for it. So if we search for it, as you can see, this is the book that comes up. So this is its cover, and as you can see, it's a paperback, and it also is available in audiobook and hardcover as well. So as you can see, hard is $9.99, the ebook itself is $6, and the audio is $12. And down below we can see we have some copycats that are selling it for much cheaper. So as you can see, it's still profitable, and we can still make some money off of it. So we can download all these different books from Project Gutenberg and then just simply upload it onto Amazon Kindle as well, and then just simply upload it on Amazon as well, and we can start earning money as well. So let's just go ahead and download a book, and let me show you how it basically will look like. So let's just download this one over here, the Moby Dick. And as you can see, it has a couple of different files. So we have read this book, EPUB, Kindle, paint texture, and many more. So all we have to do is just download whichever one we want. If we want to download the book for Kindle version, we just click on the Kindle with no images, and then just simply download. And once it's downloaded, as you can see, it's in a .mobi file. We just have to open it in Kindle, and then it will be done. So let me just download this one as well, the EPUB with no images. So if I download this one, it's also in EPUB form. And if I download the plain text, it just opens up over here. As you can see, these are going to be our chapters and stuff like that. So as you can see, it's a pretty long book. All we have to do is just copy all of it and then just paste it in our text file on our computer. So that is also a pretty cool idea. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.